Unboxing my
Hello,
Equally
Miss
Aero
Aero.
handheld
You
high-speed
can call
fan
me
blue.
Chris, or you can call me Chris. So, another day, another budol. Hi everyone! So today's video is, ayan, isi-share ko sa inyo yung freebies na natanggap natin from Beyond the Box. So without further ado, this unbox natin, ayan. So this is the Aero, tama ba? Ayan. So, if you all remember, nag-unbox ako ng aking pre-order from Beyond the Box. So, this one is, ito yung freebies niya, one of the freebies. Kasi, way back 2 years ago or 2 years ago, meron tayong in-unbox na Marshall na tawag dito yung headset. So, I think naka-apat akong unboxing na ganun. So, hindi ko na kailangan ulitin na ulit. Ayan. So, check nyo na lang yung YouTube channel ko and my Facebook account and this one. Search nyo lang, Let Us Pray. Tawag dito, yung hashtag or di kaya yung headset ng Marshall. So, makikita nyo na yun. So, this one is unbox natin. Honestly guys, dinala ko siya ngayon because today is the closing of the Batang Pinoy. Ayan, so together with my ID, ayan, and ang aking damit for Batang Pinoy. Ito yung susutin namin sa closing kasi kayo ang closing ng Batang Pinoy. Ayan. So meron tayong fan kasi for sure kung hindi uulan, mainit. Ayan. So unbox natin. So inside this box is ayan. Ay, yung tagal. Ayan. So, yung color pala nito is blue. Okay, sana white. Ayan. It comes with the fan. And ano to? Ang ganda! Meron siyang tawag dito, yung hawakan or sabitan. Ayan. It comes with Type-C to USB port na charger and a coolie na cover. Ay, ang ganda! Ay, astig. Alam mo yun? So, tanggalin natin siya. Ay, wag na. Ganyan na lang. Para sealed. Tapos i-on natin. So, nasa sa P1. Ano ibig sabihin ng P1? Nasa... Wait. P2. Power 1, Power 2. Power 3. Power 4. Power 5. Yun. So, may 5 level siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And, ayun. Pinakamalakas niya is 5. Ayan. So, for this one, it's so cute. And, thank you so much Beyond the Box. Ayan. Sana white na lang to. Or black. Para mas astig. At anyway, gusto ko lang mag-thank you kay Ma'am Kyla and Ma'am Liza for the mini fan. Ayan, fan. Ayan. So the highest speed is 9.5. The high speed motor is 16,500 RMP. RPM pala, sorry. Ayan, so ultra high with power, lightweight siya, compact with LED na something. Okay. So, ayun. So, like I always said, huwag magtipid, magsipag, enjoy shopping everyone. Bye.